In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an email from Outlook. Printing emails is a basic skill, but it can be surprisingly handy, whether you need a hard copy for your records or simply prefer reading away from a screen. Let's get started. First, we need to open Microsoft Outlook. You might already have it on your computer, but if not, it's easily accessible through the Microsoft Office suite or directly via your browser. You can go to the Microsoft website where Outlook is listed under email and calendar software. Once there, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter these details accurately to access your inbox. Once logged in, take a moment to glance over your emails and decide which one you need to print. When you find the email, just click on it to open. Now with the email open, you'll notice various options and icons, but we're specifically looking for the print function. To find this, look for the More Actions button. This might appear as 3 dots or directly as a print icon depending on your version of Outlook. When you see the print option, click on it. At this point, Outlook will prepare your email for printing, meaning it will open a preview window showing exactly how the document will look on paper. This is your chance to make sure everything is just how you'd like it. You'll be able to see if the text is formatted correctly and if any images included in the email are displaying properly. If everything looks good, you can proceed to the next step. Look for the print button in the top left or right corner of the preview screen. Clicking this will take you to your computer's printer settings. Here you can choose your desired printer and also adjust different settings like the number of copies you'd like to print, the page range, and also paper size and orientation. Before you click the final print button, double check that your printer is on and has enough paper. Trust me, it's something that's easy to overlook. Once everything is set, go ahead and click print. Your email should now start printing. And that's it, you're all done. You've successfully printed an email from Outlook. This is a straightforward process, but one that can really come in handy, especially for important documents you need to keep track of in physical form. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.